Oh, hi there. I'm Chicken Little, and I'm surviving in this tree for 5 days. This is day 1. Day 1. So, I'm going to go find some food. Follow me. Okay, we take some of these apples. Oh, this one's too hard. Follow me. Sorry. This one is perfect. See this apple. It is beautiful. See it? See the apple? Now let's bring it down here, yeah? Yeah. Okay, now we're going to cut the apple. Cut it. Focus on the apple. Focus on the apple. Going to. Oh, nasty! It's oozing. Oh, ew. Oh, that's disgusting. I'll eat it anyway. Hey, that is quite disgusting. Oh, I've decided I'm not living in this tree for 3 days anymore. It's like poo. Poo. Oh, nasty. Oh, yuck. Oh. Got a commercial. Oh.